baby, here we go.
Today another video. So today we're going to be showing you all the stuff we can fit on this Mini that would cover the chrome and everything that you can get on our website. So we'll start with belt line. So this is available on our website. If you keep watching till the end of the video, we will be doing some cinematics of this fitted on another car. So the side scuttles, we sell the LCI gloss black side scuttles which come with a clear lens. So as you can see at the end of the video, you'll see them on another car. They get rid of this completely. The other thing we do sell is some coloured S's if you did want to keep the chrome but change the colour of the S. So we have them in like yellow, orange, blue, etc. So we have the wrapping kits, which is a cheaper way to de-chrome but a long-lasting, good finish. Right, so we do also have covers for these as well, which just literally stick over the top of the chrome. They're a straight, easy peel off the backing tape, stick on, long-lasting, and they come in gloss black. Right, so the grille, we can either do a wrapping kit. We don't really sell any covers for these as we find they're quite expensive, but to be fair, you can actually buy the gloss black grille surround for the aero grille from Mini, which is probably a bit cheaper than paying for a cover for this similar sort of money, and at least it's genuine, so it's a straight replacement. Or you can, if you're on a budget, we do a wrapping kit for around £20, which comes with instructions. If you've wrapped before, you might find it easy, but it's a simple installation and gives a good look. Obviously, if you are wrapping it, it will have to be removed. So as you can see, the grille does come in two pieces. So obviously this one can be removed. There is some clips underneath that you'll have to take off. And then there is the bottom piece of the grille, which then again, it clips out as well. Right, so we do have direct badge replacements, or we have carbon fibre badge covers. So the badge replacements, you will have to remove these badges, remove all the old glue, and the new ones just literally stick over. Or we do have carbon fibre covers which stick around the wings and the circle, which leaves the Mini in the middle. Right, so door covers, we sell the new style clip-on handles, which are super easy to fit. They just literally clip over the existing ones. They do come with a slight amount of 3M tape on the inside if you do want to give it the extra hold. So if you do want to get rid of some more chrome, we do black covers for these, or they are available in carbon fibre also. So the steering wheel we do wrapping kits for. Unfortunately, we don't have anything for this one. You can buy vinyl on our website also if you do want to go ahead and try and wrap it, but you will have to remove these as well to wrap them. Right, so rear light surrounds, we sell covers, genuine replacements, or wrapping kits for these. The covers simply fit over these. The wrapping kits, you will have to remove them to wrap them. The replacements do literally replace these, so you will have to remove them and then put the black ones on. The Cooper S badge, as we said before on the side scuttles, if you wanted to keep the chrome one, we do have different colour S's if you wanted to change them. But we do have this in a complete black Cooper S. If you do have a Cooper, we do have it available without the S. So for the boot lid, we have wrapping kits available for this. You will have to remove this. There is a couple of screws underneath. It does help if you do actually split this, because it does come in two parts to get the chrome bit off, and you can wrap that. We have that in different colour wraps. So on this one, obviously the convertible ones don't come with a petrol cap like these do. So we do sell the covers for these, which you can buy in gloss black or genuine carbon fibre. This particular model also has the gloss black belt line on that we also sell. Right, so this is the Atom Speed Scoop that we also sell. This one gives more of an aggressive look on the model. So this one's got the stubby carbon fibre aerial that we sell, which is really popular. It replaces the big one. It's got a little bit of carbon, and the rest of it is like a satiny gloss black.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on